Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoplay on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Telegram and you will click here in this page. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.